What's going on, guys? I just pulled up to the shop. I just wanted to make this video. I know a lot of you guys have been wondering what's been going on with me, where I've been. I haven't been on YouTube. I just dropped that T45 first look last week, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. But I wanted to tell you guys kind of what's been going on, where I've been at, where my brain's been at, and what you guys can expect to see going forward. So first off, guys, I want you to know, I really did love doing YouTube. I do like doing YouTube, but when things get to the part where it's like a job, it's really kind of hard, not hard work, but like it becomes a hassle. I was posting every week for 4 years straight. I never took off. I never missed a week, 4 years straight. And at one point I was doing 3 videos a week. So you guys can understand how hard it is, one, to come up with content, come up with ideas. I only cut 1 day a week in the shop now because I'm doing so much educating elsewhere. So it just got really difficult to come up with content. You guys know I've done every haircut that you can imagine is on my channel, probably a couple times, including every client that I had. I also posted trying to get clients in here. I don't know if you guys have ever seen, but my window at my shop says, "Do you want a free haircut?" I literally get no emails about it. So it just got really hard to keep coming up with the haircut content. You guys know I've done a lot of tool content, how to set your tools, how to record content, how to edit content, how to open a barbershop, a 10-step process of how to open a barbershop. But guys, I just had done so much. It was getting really hard, and the pressure of every week making sure that I recorded something and edited it and put it out. And like I said, I did have a good time. I appreciate all you guys' support, and I wouldn't be where I'm at without that. But things just look a little different these days. So you guys may not know, but I do have 2 young kids. I have a almost 4-year-old and an almost 2-year-old. So obviously that's a priority. I didn't want to take away time from them. And of course my wife, and trying to be home with the family and taking care of that is something I have to look out for. And then just on top of that, my things have changed. My role has changed. I'm in the barbershop 1 day a week. I travel a heck of a lot for Babyliss, for Tomb45, and that has kept me busy. So I just had to try to balance all of that, and it got super difficult on top of being burnt out and not having any ideas anymore. So I have kind of shifted my focus. My plan in the future is just to, bring you a tutorial when I got one, bring you guys along with me to these events, do some more vlog type things, just kind of like today, just kind of turning the camera on and speaking my mind, just, whatever comes out, whenever it comes out, that's what I'm planning on doing in the future, because I did miss this. I did take a nice break. I sat down for plenty of time. I'm rejuvenated. Winter is a rough time. I don't know if any of you guys are going through that, but winter is tough. And so, yeah, I do plan to come back, but it's gonna look a little different. But like I said, I'll still try to bring some tutorials. If you guys are here for tutorials, I got probably 300-400 of every haircut you can imagine. I'm getting into some pretty cool opportunities. I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff I've been doing. And that's gonna be some stuff I'm gonna show you moving forward. So when I go to these cool events and these things that I've been working towards, I'm gonna take you guys along with me and show you guys the process and kind of what we're up to. So let's look around the room. I'll show you guys some of the stuff I've been doing. All right, so first and foremost, guys, I've been helping a lot with our event coming up. EWP is in Tampa, Florida, February 16th. It's gonna be an all day of education. I don't know if you guys remember EWP1. I wanna say it was even pre-2020, pre-COVID. So it's been a long time. We've been wanting to do another one. And now with the launch of the T45, we're gonna do EWP2. Everybody's gonna be there. Me, CJ, Beam, Joshua P, Basio, some of the Babyliss team is even coming, Los and Nicole and Dennis, and we're gonna just have an all day of education. You guys can get the T45 there. Other Tomb45 products that are about to launch, I can't even tell you about. They're sitting right there, but I don't know if I should show you guys or not. But I've been doing a lot to help Dre set that up. We did some lanyards, some cards, the whole behind the scenes stuff for that, helping him plan the schedule and making the schedule, the digital version of the schedule to put out to you guys. You guys know I do a lot of graphic design work. On top of that, I've been doing a ton of illusion capes. So those are the things keeping me busy these days. After that, you guys, if you haven't seen, I am doing my own expo. The Klutch Barber Expo is in Owensboro, Kentucky, where I'm at, March 16th, 2025. I'm gonna have my guy Nate Motivates doing some motivational stuff and some business talk. Dre Clipperhands, CJ the Barber, and my guy Get Beamed, along with myself. And I think there are gonna be some other special guests that show up as well. So I've been working my butt off. I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff. But before we do that, guys, make sure if you guys want VIP tickets, they are over halfway sold out. We only have 60 and we're like 35 or 36. So if you guys want VIP and you are coming, make sure you hop on there and get your tickets. Guys, it is in Owensboro, Kentucky. We are right below Indiana. Illinois is right over there. Tennessee is right below us. Ohio is right up there. Anybody in that Midwest area should be within driving distance, and I need you guys to pull up. If this is a success, we will do it for years to come. It's gonna be so dope. It's gonna be super clutched out. I got clutch yellow, everything. Custom illusion capes are at home. I can't show you yet, but I'll show you guys some of the stuff, and wait until you guys see the trophies. We're doing competitions, and you're gonna wanna get one of these trophies. So make sure you guys get those tickets, sign up if you're anywhere near. If you mess with me, I don't know how many of y'all are gonna watch this video, but if you are watching this video, you really mess with me. So please pull up, guys. It's my show. I will be walking around, hanging out all day, and I would love to see you guys there. Let's check out some of the stuff for the expo. All right, so you guys can see I just got piles of stuff over here in the corner. Well, these aren't included. These are my T45 boxes, but all these clippers you see right here are for giveaways at the show. I got the Klutch yellow set, I got the black FX, and I have a couple shavers. All of this is GMB Pro bags for competition prizes and for giveaways, so you guys don't want to miss that. It is my Seancutshair limited edition, the Klutch crossbody size, and the full size bag right here, guys, is the prize for the student fade competition, so make sure you hop in there. This stuff is some signage for the show, and I want to show you guys this stuff just because it's super cool. Let me prop this up so it doesn't fall on me. You guys can see here are our vendor lanyards, Klutch yellow. You guys can see this is a staff lanyard. I'll just go ahead and show you staff, black and Klutch yellow lanyard, but this is what you guys will get as attendees. Let me see if I can find, yeah, here we go. So you guys can see VIP, I don't want to open these, but these are the VIP badges that you guys will get. We also have vendor badges, staff badges, general admission, you'll get a wristband, and then these are the competition ones. So modern traditional, student competition, let's see, fast fade, and freestyle total look. So we still have a lot of tickets left for the competitions. If you guys are competitors, make sure you come out. I'm gonna give you a little idea. Nah, I can't do that yet. Y'all stay tuned and I will show you guys what the trophies are. Just know you've never seen a trophy like this, and you guys are gonna wanna compete to get your hands on one of those trophies. So you also know the T45 clipper and trimmer just came out, and I was in Miami for the launch, and that was kind of a big event, so we've been working on that. But if you guys stay tuned to the end of the video, I'll give you a little snippet of cutting with these. Here are the new guards right here, the precision guards. If you guys didn't see my first look, much thinner, pointing on the end, less plastic. You know, I'm good with the premium guards, but these things are serious, and especially the green on this clipper. These things are tough. So you guys stay tuned till the end, and I will show you guys some cuts. Just a little quick snippet of the T45s. That's pretty much it, guys. I don't know. I just wanted to make this video to update you guys, kind of tell you where I've been, what to look forward to in the future. And you know, some of you guys that don't do this type of stuff, it's kind of probably hard to understand. But you know, as I did YouTube, I wanted to educate more. That's why I did YouTube. And then Tomb45 came along and they gave me a platform to educate. And I started to go to shows and meet people in person, and it pushed me even more forward. So, you know, then Babyliss Pro comes along and they want me to be an educator for them. So that's a bigger stage, that's a bigger platform, that's a bigger Instagram platform to be shared on. Just to get the word out, to get my education out. I just want to help people grow. And you know, something difficult on the flip side of that is, I won't say some of you guys, because you guys are all supportive, but some people are just not supportive. They don't understand, you know, say that I sold out, and I really don't care at the end of the day. But that does weigh on, you know, when I make a YouTube video to put out to you guys, when you guys support, that's great, obviously, and I can deal with negative comments, but I was just in a funk. It got difficult to put out new content. I did get a lot of hate when the Babyliss thing happened, and was just kind of trying to navigate all of that. So I appreciate all you guys that stuck by my side and was supportive, and understand that this is just a step in my career, right? I'm not just a barber behind the chair anymore. I have 2 barbershops. I work for Tomb45, I work with Babyliss Pro. I'm traveling 2, 3, 4 times a month, super busy, trying to do YouTube. I'm just trying to do the best for me that I can to provide for my family, hang out with people that I enjoy, use awesome tools. You guys see my station is just decked out. I got the Klutch yellows right here. I got the new blue low pros. We got the T45. So for me, I love Babyliss tools. That is why I signed with Babyliss. They're gonna let me educate on the biggest stages around the country, get out, meet more of you guys, spread the word, spread my knowledge, and help you guys grow as barbers. So that's why I did it, guys. But anyway, we're gonna be back in some capacity. Leave me a comment down below if you really rock with me. Let me know what you think of all this news. I appreciate you guys hanging in there while I was gone, and I hope I can make plenty of content moving forward. Now let's hit some clips of the T45, and I'll catch you guys in the next video after that. All right, y'all, got my man Markel in the chair. He needed to clean up on the fro. We're gonna do a taper, do some enhancements maybe, test the trimmers for our lineup, and I'll show you guys some clips of the Tomb45 clipper and trimmer.
Mm-hmm.